Hey guys, I'm Jill Powell, and today I'm joined by the gorgeous Audrey, and we are gonna do this very simple kitty cat makeup that you can do at home with the products from your makeup bag. Okay, so if you have to DIY a costume at home, one of the best ones to do is a cat. One, you can wear all black, get some little cat ears, and the makeup is super simple, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. Audrey had this amazing cat shirt already. Look at you, you're already ready to go, and we have some ears we're gonna add on later. If you have a black long sock, like a soccer sock or something, you can even stuff that and pin it to the back, and your costume is done. So let me show you how to create the easiest makeup with products that you have at home. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do, just need a pink blush. So I'm going to use something in this tone, a little bit brighter pink, and you're gonna give the cheeks a little bit of blush. The next thing you'll need is a white eyeshadow. So this one is by NARS. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it. You can do a matte white eyeshadow. You can also use the cream product if you have that. But we are going to put some white on the top lip. I'm also going to add a little bit through the center of the nose. And we're going to add this just a little bit on the bottom of the eye. Okay, now just look up to the ceiling. That inside corner of the eye. Look up to the ceiling. And now you need a black eyeliner. You can do a pencil, you can do a liquid, you could do a pen, pretty much anything. And we're going to draw in the nose. So we're gonna trace the bottom part of the nose. Does that tickle? Yeah. And I like to keep it just on this very under part. All right, now we're gonna draw a straight line down in the very center. And we're just gonna trace the very top lip. Now we're gonna add little dots for whiskers. And we're gonna add some whiskers. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of eyeliner and we're gonna create a cat eye. Then we're gonna add a little bit of pink. You can do lipstick or lip gloss to the bottom lip. And there is your simple kitty makeup with just a couple products. So if you have a pink blush, a pink lipstick, a black eyeliner, and a white eyeshadow at home, you too can do this simple makeup for Halloween. All you need is some cute little cat ears. And your costume is done. Thanks again for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. All of the products used in my video are also linked below. And if you want to see more, follow me anywhere at Jill Powell Glam. Thanks again.